Customer came in and said their car's running kind of rough and they're getting this shake at idle. Scanned it, seen some misfires, and so I took liberty to pull some of these spark plugs out and seeing that these things have seen better days. They did their job. It's just time to replace them now. While I was removing and replacing these spark plugs, I'm moving one of these lines and I noticed that one of the lines were feeling really loose. It was a vacuum line, and on the back of the intake there's a vacuum elbow to that line. And upon taking it off, I seen that it was split. So now I am trying to find a replacement so we can get this car back on the road and running good. We're not gonna just turn a blind eye to a very big issue when you come in for, you know, let's say an air filter. We're gonna let you know that you should not be taking us on the road unless, you know, we can do at least the bare minimum for you. And then when we do the bare minimum, sometimes we just have to go above and beyond because our pride kind of gets in our way, and we really all love working on these cars and getting them running the right way.